Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert numbers into text. Yes, very important. In Microsoft Word, a lot of you might not familiar with this or know this is possible. Yes, if you notice, we have some numbers right here which we're going to convert from number here to text. Right, first thing we wanted to use is the Control plus F9. So on your keyboard, you see CTRL, it stands for control, right? And then you see F9. So what you want to do, you're going to press the two of them together. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to approach it. First of all, this is the figure. You want to block the figure completely, right? You have to make sure and say block it. All right, let me bring it up a little more. You block it. When you block it, you're going to press the Control and the F9 together. Very important when you do that. Right, good. You notice what this bracket should have up here. Let me, good. So in front, make sure you put an equal. All right, very important right there. Then you're going to put the forward slash. The forward slash. If you notice, that's a forward slash. Then you're going to put the asterisk. Right? How do you get the asterisk? You just simply hold along the shift key and press the 8 and you get the asterisk. Now, after you do that, now you're going to type card, C-A-R-D, text. Right? Let me do that again. Card, text. Now, when you do that, now, you want to put the cursor right here in the middle and you want to right click. Now, when you right click, you use the paste option right here. So field update, you see edit field, toggle field code, font, and paragraph. You want to come right here and click on field update. Now, when you click on field up here, notice we have 2,355. All right. So now we're going to try the second one now. So we're going to block again. Now, when we block, we're going to press the CTRL plus Control and F9. Press them together. Right. And notice when you press them, you get a two bracket. They're going to put the equal before. Remember, start with equal. Now we're going to put the cursor right here and put the forward slash right here. Notice on the keyboard, forward slash. You're going to hold along the shift key and press 8. That's where you get the asterisk. You're going to type C-A-R-D, card, and then text like that. Remember, don't take off the highlight because if you take off the highlight, it's not going to work. Make sure it highlight just the same. Now you're going to right click on it. Now when you right click on it, you notice these are what you will see. Field update, edit field, toggle field code, font, and all that. But update field is where you want to focus on. You want to click on that. You notice it's a 2,543. So this is how we actually convert number into words in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.